Giraffes, the wildebeest, and the zebras. Look at that. And over here we got some galions sharing a delicious gazebra with their galion cubs. That is adorable. You know what? I just love that they're sitting down for a meal together. People don't really do that anymore. That's one of my mom's favorite jokes. Over here, I told these guys, do not argue with rhinos, because rhinos will always get their point across in the end. Yeah, they got a rhino. Over here we have bamboo. Did you guys know bamboo could be 5 stories tall? Some people say 6, but that's another story. And we're entering the hippo pool. You gotta be careful. They sank 6 of our boats last week and this week, but only 4 of those boats were mine, so we should be 5. Fine. Sorry. And over here, oh dear. Well, they're not deer, they're hippos. Tell you what, go ahead and cover your ears. There we go. Don't worry. That'll take care of the mosquitoes. Oh wow. Huh. Alright, over here we got a real chipwreck on our hands. And it looks like one of them has a microphone. I'm going to translate if he says anything important. Very interesting, okay. He said that if you look over here to the left-hand side of the boat, you see bamboo. He said that bamboo can be 5 stories tall. Some people say 6, but that's another story. Where have I heard that before? Deja vu. I love it. Over here we have butterflies. Do you guys like butterflies? Yeah. I like butterflies personally. But they're not really used to it.
Like I know myself.
Caterpillars. Now folks, we're about to see something absolutely amazing. Beautiful, stupendous, gorgeous, dare I say awe-inspiring. Truly, it's a once-in-a-lifetime opportunity. Ladies and gentlemen, you're not going to see something like this ever again in your lifetime. Give it up for the one and only, hey, the wonder of the world, bamboo. Did you guys know that? Some people say 6, but that's another story.
It usually says the whack the waterfall.
I've done that joke so many times. It's such a 50-50 thing. No one has screamed like that before. We're going to stop right here. Oh, with bamboo. You know, you don't see that very often. Now, before we continue... Oh, time again. Oh my God. I thought it was a boa. And I remember boa from... Or fur, depends where you get them from. No! Oh, we gotta go. Alright, we gotta go back. Over here we have Trader Sam's Gift Shop. Trader Sam's Gift Shop. If you had it, he's got it. I like the other tagline they came up with. It was Trader Sam's Gift Shop. So that's where that went. Survive the jungle, my jokes, and each other. Make sure to keep all hands, arms, legs, and feet inside the boat. Remain seated and supervise all children. If you enjoyed the cruise, my name is Sam. And if you did not enjoy the cruise, alright. We're going to be here for a brief moment while we wait. We're going to share our deepest, darkest fears. I'll go